Absolute zero is the lowest possible temperature in the universe. Nothing can be colder than that. Now, just imagine if the entire Earth simply reached this lowest existing temperature. Of course, we would all just die, right? But what if this situation were possible, but only for a short time? What would this scenario look like? Today, you'll understand what would happen if Earth reached absolute zero for just 5 seconds. Temperature is the way we measure the movement of atoms, molecules, and particles. The higher the temperature, the faster the atoms move, and vice versa. Absolute zero corresponds to negative 273.15 degrees Celsius, and at this point, all particles, atoms, and molecules simply stop moving, which is why a lower value is impossible. To give you an idea, ambient temperature, which hovers around 20 degrees, makes atoms travel at roughly 1,800 kilometers per hour. So if the temperature dropped very close to absolute zero, atomic particles would move at a speed of about 0.18 kilometers per hour. Getting this close to that value, all chemical reactions would almost completely stop, which would be terrible both for us and for all living beings on Earth. They are responsible for everything, including the entire functioning of our bodies. This means that, without the trillions of chemical reactions happening inside us, we wouldn't even be able to breathe. In fact, it wouldn't even be necessary to reach absolute zero to be in serious danger. At negative 196 degrees, the temperature of liquid nitrogen, we would already suffer severe burns, blisters, and almost instant freezing. We wouldn't last even 5 seconds alive, even if everything returned to normal right after. Additionally, some toes or fingers would be completely lost since they are at the extremities, and blood takes longer to reach there. But not all reactions on the planet would stop. This conclusion was reached by scientists based on the Boomerang Nebula, which is about 5,000 light-years from Earth and is the coldest known object in the universe. Even being so close to absolute zero, chemical reactions still seem to occur there. The possible explanation for this phenomenon lies in the strange effects of quantum physics, which forms a strange state of matter known as Bose-Einstein condensate. And what does that mean? This is a state of matter that emerges when a gas made of bosons is cooled to the extreme. When matter is in the Bose-Einstein condensate state, all atoms begin to behave as one, and their properties can be observed with the naked eye. You could witness some oddities in action, like superfluidity. Solid, liquid, and gaseous are the common states. But when some elements reach these incredibly low temperatures, they lose all viscosity and become a superfluid, a rare state of matter. These strange liquids can flow against gravity and, to some extent, move from one place to another. In fact, the laws of physics governing these extremely low temperatures are not fully understood and seem to challenge what scientists know about the nature of matter. Another example of how physics would fall apart in such a scenario: if the entire planet magically reached negative 273.15 degrees, everything on it would cease to have mass. This is because a body with all its atoms stopped has no energy, and according to Einstein's theories, a body without any energy cannot have mass. But don't worry, because in practice, nothing can reach true absolute zero. The fundamental laws of physics say that the energy of a quantum system is never zero, so there is always atomic movement, however small. But this wouldn't mean that 5 seconds of temperatures almost that cold wouldn't destroy nearly everything. And nothing would be left of the soup of atoms you and the entire planet would turn into. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you thought in the comments. See you next time.